Thank you indeed. As far as today's seminar is concerned, these were the elders from various tribal agencies and FRs, and they open-heartedly participated in this seminar, and various options were discussed because the case against the merger is sub judice in the Supreme Court, and we request the Supreme Court that it should hear it on emergency basis so that it could be decided earlier. Second thing is that whatsoever the local body election has taken place, that has been rejected by the tribal people, and they don't want that any further steps taken by the Pakhtunkhwa government towards the merger. They will be resisted in a peaceful way, but all those steps which has taken, it has damaged, rather brought more miseries to the people of tribal area rather than alleviating their sufferings. We will be having various processions as well as various gathering in tribal areas, and people will be motivated and facilitated to come to Islamabad and conduct a gathering of more than about 20,000 people in Islamabad in the first week of March, so that and it will be converted into a sitting for a duration unless their demands are met, because in Pakistan there is a way, and that way is only the government or the authorities only listen to you once you prevail in a force, in a way that it compels them to talk to them. So that is the only way left for the tribal people, so that they can prevail on the political government as well as the people who are the decision maker, to understand that this merger is against the will and the aspiration of the people of FATA, and if it continues, it will brought more miseries, and more so this sensitive area will spill into another turmoil which will be not in the interest of the country. As government has constituted that parliamentary committee, and that parliamentary committee was represented by this Jarga as well, and they were told that we are against this merger, and that what is our one-point agenda, whereas the committee told that our mandate is only within the merger that we can bring sort of reforms or some sort of understanding or some sort of you can say way forward where it could be in line with your aspiration. But actually the bone of contention is the merger, because it is the constitutional provision according to Article 1 that FATA was the fifth federating unit, and since it has been abolished, so within that any sort of understanding which will be in the concept or within the boundaries of the merger, they are not acceptable to the people of FATA. So that's why they are still insisting that this merger process should be reversed by the Supreme Court, and there could be brought a 26th Amendment where the mainstreaming and development of the FATA could be accepted, but not the identity of the people of FATA should be abolished or it should be finished.
Thank you.